What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Now this is the Rogers white version, and yeah, so let's take a look at the back. We have a Super AMOLED HD 1080p display, 13 megapixel rear facing camera, 2 megapixel front facing camera, a 5.7 inch display, comes with a stylus, 4G LTE capabilities. You have the Android 4.4.2 KitKat, and we have also like Knox and a bunch of other features, and I'll be going over that in the review. But for now, let's go ahead and unbox this puppy. So let's pull this out. I already cut the tabs, but there it is. You can see the device is gorgeous. I mean, it's just a big display. So let's put that aside for now. Let's see what comes in the box. So here we have the bag. So if you want to recycle it, it's already prepaid, the postage. We have some literature, safety and warranty guide, but nobody reads that. We have the USB 3.0 cable, the AC wall adapter. We have some earbuds for the headphones. Let's put that back in there. And also we have this little tool here. Now this is for the S Pen, so you can use this metal thing to pull it out and then replace it with those little plastic ones again if it's worn out or anything. So yeah, let's just go ahead, put this back in here. No, actually I'll leave this out for now. Boom, boom. Alright. Let's power the device for the first time. Alright, so now we got the startup screen. You see English. Okay, let's skip, no SIM card. Next, next. Agree. Nope, nope. Next, next. So many start screens here. Alright, now you can see here the device. It's just beautiful. I mean, that big display. And here, let's see the S Pen real quick, so you can get a better look at the display. Put that down. Alright, so stay tuned for the full review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.